Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. Today's video, as you can see by the thumbnail and me struggling in the thumbnail, is my biggest Ipsy drop shop haul ever. All right, I got everything out of the box. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. If you're unfamiliar too, if you get any of the Ipsy, like BoxyCharm by Ipsy, Ipsy Glam Bag, etc., you are a member and you can go in and you can shop the Ipsy Drop Shop. You can get products up to 80% off. A lot of what's here was part of the $2, the $3, and the $5 items. And then I did get a couple of sets that were a little bit more pricey, but still very, very affordable. And I'd like to note too that 90% of this, or almost all of this, is gifts. And this package right here completes my holiday shopping already, you guys. So I can go in, I can shop, I can get a big discount, and I can be done with everything. So I'm going to hurry up and dive in because it's a lot to get through. First up, I got the CO Cleansing Bar Cocoa and Coconut Superfood Facial Cleansing Bar. And again, most of this is for gifts. I'm actually making like big pamper yourself type boxes for this year for the holidays for the beauties in my life. So I got this and I'm just going to pop everything in the box right beside me. Next up is the Refreshments Breezy Deodorant in Pacific Fizz. And again, most of this was part of the $2, the $3, and the $5. Not much of this was much more than that. So I'm telling y'all, it's a great way to shop. And honestly, it's one of the main reasons why I still get my paid for BoxyCharm and Ipsy, because, you know, obviously I get PR, but I love to be able to have access to go in and shop. Next up, I have the Gimme Beauty. This is a set of velour or velvet scrunchies, a 5-piece set. Next up, I got this super cute, the Vintage Company Nailed It gift set. And these are like brands that I already kind of know, love, and trust through buying them from Ipsy, receiving them in the Ipsy Glam Bag, receiving them in BoxyCharm. And to spend $2 or $3, you know, $4 or $5, I feel like that's cheaper than even going, you know, to like Walmart or somewhere and buying stuff. Next up, I got this little duo. I got the Refreshments Superb Strength Shampoo and Conditioner in Tart Lavender. I love the packaging. And again, I'm building like self-care bundles and stuff like that. So I felt like these were just a great, great deal. These are like a matte, look, they're bigger than my big old head, y'all. Great freaking value on these. And Refreshments is Ipsy's, I guess, like in-house brand, if you will. Next up, I got this beautiful Kenzie set. I actually got one last holiday season as well. And what I will do is break this down and give each one of the 4 beauties their own bottle of perfume. And I want to say this was probably $20 or so. So again, very, very affordable. Y'all, I could not pass it up. Like, they had some good stuff this time. Really good stuff this time. Next is this right here. I may take one out and use it for myself because I really want to try it, but it's the Kitsch Cleanse, the Towel Scrunchie set, and it's a 2-piece set. And because I am going to keep one of them and I'll gift the other one, I do want to take one out and just see what they look like and feel like. Oh, those are so freaking cool. You know what? I think I'm not, because the person I'm gifting these to, both of them have extremely long hair. So I'm not going to be selfish. I'm going to give each of them one of these, but they do feel incredibly well made, very, very thick, very soft. So I'm going to put them in the gift bag, y'all. Next up, of course, is another gift. This is the Sleek E, I think is how you say this. The travel set. It says made for all hair types. Travel straight, wavy, curly, cold, tightly cold. Is a shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioning hair mask, and a hair serum. And again, very affordable. I don't think I've tried anything from this brand. I think I'd gotten the deep conditioning hair mask one time, but that's when I shaved my head and yeah, I didn't need it. So if you have any experience with any of this stuff, or if you picked up any of this stuff in your haul, please let me know. So got that. Next up, oh, we have so much. Oh my gosh. Next up is the Zoe Ayla, the Konjac Bamboo Sponge. And this is just for like scrubbing, and it helps to exfoliate and stuff like that. That's also going into one of the pamper baskets. Next up is another set of little scrunchies. These are by ARCHY Beauty. This is the Star Scrunchie set, a set of 4. Next up, I got these for me. Of all this, I got a couple things for myself. I did get a little LaRousse brush and a Sigma Tightline liner brush. So I'm actually just going to stick these right here in my little container. I also got this cute little Glow On Fifth Beauty, I think, and it's a skincare headband. And then I got a couple of little minis over here. Let me get some of the bigger stuff out the way first. This, I am so excited for the person I'm giving this to because I think she's going to absolutely love it. And if I had longer hair, I would probably have gotten one for myself. So if you've tried this method, please let me know so I know to give it to her. But it's the Luxe and Willow 4-piece heatless curler kit for all hair types and lengths. And it's got the satin curling rod, the big jumbo claw clip thing, and then 2 satin scrunchies. These right here I got for myself, but we'll see. I always say I'm going to get something for myself and then I end up giving it away. But they're Gimme Beauty, and this is the Scrunchie Variety Pack, and it is a 5 count. And even if I separate them and like I open it up, like I wanted it for like the more neutrally like blushy shades and then like this brown shade. But even if I open it up, I'll still separate it and put it in with like their baskets. But for now, I might keep 1 or 2. Next up, I got this shower cap. It is soft pink and is just by Gimme Beauty. Next, I'll go into this big old Ipsy bag. And this kind of came as like a little kit. So this has the Kitsch Smoothing Paddle Brush. And everything is, you know, a full size. It also has the Kitsch Ceramic Round Blow Dry Brush. And that is the one for long hair. And then there's also a little set of the Kitsch Hair Coils. Next up, I always restock on all types of wipes and stuff like that through add-ons or through the drop shop. So I got some Refreshments cleansing wipes. I've used these multiple times. I repurchased them over and over again. I also got a pack of the Julep Beauty Makeup Remover Towelettes. So these are for me. Next up, I'll go through all these minis really quickly. I have the Endata Organics, the Hydrating Lip Balm, and it says with calendula, vitamin E, and peppermint oil. Next up, this item is for myself. This is the Tresluce Beauty Hello Brows Dual-Ended Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Brunette. Y'all know I ain't got no damn brows, so if I can get a brow pencil for $2 or $3, I'm gonna get one. Next up is the Give Them Lala, the Exfoliating Lip Scrub. So I decided to get like lip scrub, lip balm, things like that. Just self-care, self-love type of products. Next up is the Refreshments Kissalicious Lip Balm in Sweet Mint. Next up, we have the Misho Beauty Lip Shine Sheer Lip Balm, and it says XO. I guess that's the shade, but it's still sheer. Next up, this one is for myself. This is the Item Beauty Quick Stick Moisturizing Lip Color in the shade Pick Me. But now that I'm looking at this packaging, I feel like I may already have this. So if I do already have this, of course, I'll put it with everybody else's stuff. And then this for sure is mine because the pistache lotion is divine. And it's one of my favorite products I've ever gotten in an Ipsy. But it's the Pistache Skincare, the Pistachio Oil Pistachio Lip Gloss. Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me? Look. This little pistache one right here, the little pistachio oil hydrating hand cream, every time I see this, I get this. It smells so dang good, y'all. Super ultra hydrating. I'm so excited about this. Matter of fact, I'm so excited, I'm going to try some right now. And then last, but certainly not least, is actually something for myself that I'm real excited about. So let me go ahead and get this open. I want to note too, like while I'm getting into this, everything was packaged great. And that is not oftentimes the case when I get an Ipsy package in, y'all. So let me finish opening this.
my word. This feels like a hug. Oh my gosh.
So anyways, the story behind this is literally every year for many, many years, if you are familiar with Ulta Beauty and you shop Ulta around the holiday season, typically with like a fragrance purchase or an X amount of purchase, you get a free robe. And I get one every year, and then I kind of pass it down, I give it to somebody, and then I buy, you know, the next one for the next year. Well, this is my, you know, my Christmas or my holiday package for the year. I'm not going to be shopping on Ulta. So when I saw this robe, y'all, I jumped at the chance. It is so freaking cute. It says, ooh la la. I'm gonna try it on real quick. Shoot. It goes a little bit past my knees. I love this. It has pockets. Oh, this feels so nice. I think I'm gonna keep it on for a little while, even though we're about to go from 40s and 50s to 86 degrees. So am I gonna need this right now? No, but oh my gosh. If you got this and you've not gotten your package yet, I'm telling you, you're gonna love this. It also has like the little waist tie thing, but I don't know. There's something like nostalgic for me. Like I love getting like winter PJs or holiday PJs, a robe, matching pajamas, whatever the case may be. But yeah, that is my massive Ipsy drop shop haul. I feel like, you guys, I got a lot of stuff for not a lot of money. You know what I'm saying? And that's the way that I like to shop. Even when I do shop out at retail, I try to shop when they have deals, discounts, coupon codes, etc. So I'm thrilled. I'm happy, and these are full length. I'm thrilled. I'm excited. I am happy that I'm basically done with holiday shopping, and it was a one-stop shop almost. Very affordable, and brands and things that I already know and love and trust. So yeah, comment down below. Let me know what you guys thought. Are any of these on your wish list? Have you tried any of these before and you want to give me some deets? Let's have that conversation. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.